Some ways that you can display your Crocs. I use them all over my house. I put them on the floors underneath one drawer stands, underneath tavern tables, next to, I have one that I put next to the fireplace to hold some of my paper or small kindling. I have some that I put on top of my cupboards. I use them on top of my kitchen counters. There's a number of different ways to display these pieces here. You can put dried flowers in them. You can store different products inside, flowers. There's just a number of ways that you can display them. Like I was saying, the rolling pins. You could take these jugs, and a lot of people like to size them. They'll start from a half a gallon and work all their way up into the same size straight jugs, just to show a nice uniform pattern. That's one way to display. Some people just like to buy floral cobalts with just florals on them and display them all together. That's and some people will just want to buy just the ovoid shapes and just display all the ovoids together, same size. It's one of those things that's really subjective, and depending on the space that you have available, will dictate how you display your Crocs.